Yes, and we're back. We're back in the kitchen. Breakfast vibes. Ackee and Saltfish this morning. Yes, quarantine vibes. But we're eating good, man. We're eating good. We got Ackee here. Fresh Ackee from Jamaica. This one's been in the freezer. Fresh from the tree back home, you know, ready to go. Alright, so we got olive oil, black pepper, we got onion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course a ripe plantain. So over here we got the saltfish. We're boiling the saltfish here to get some of the salt out. We like to boil it twice. Okay, so we're gonna boil this twice to reduce the salt. Then we move on to stage 2. Ackee and Saltfish, breakfast vibes. Right, stage 2. Onions, peppers, and thyme goes in. Gonna cook this down now. Ready to add the saltfish, which is nearly finished boiling. Lovely aromas. Onions are cooking down nicely. They're nearly done. Moving on to stage 3, the plantain. Need a nice amount of oil, otherwise the plantain won't cook properly, so the pan here is warming up. We're gonna top and tail your plantain, then cut it in half, and then cut them into nice thin slices like this. So once you finish boiling your fish, you're gonna flake it like so, using your hands or a fork, and then you're gonna just add this to your onions. Always be sure to use a non-stick pan when you're making your plantain, and make sure that the oil is evenly distributed across the pan and all your pieces of plantain are covered so that they can cook. Lovely Ackee. Lovely and yellow. Once you add your saltfish in, already start to infuse it with the onions and the Scotch bonnet. The flavour will really start to come through in the saltfish. Here we are, guys. Lovely golden plantain, just the way we like it. Okay, so what you want to do here now, guys, the tip here is to lay them out on some kitchen towel so they can absorb the excess oil. Okay, so let's check on our Ackee and Saltfish. Lovely, lovely. So the Ackee has just been added in the last 5 to 8 minutes or so. You don't want to stir your Ackee too much, otherwise it's going to get mushy. And here we have it, guys. Ackee and Saltfish nearly done. Yes, and here we have it, guys. Ackee and Saltfish with plantain and some hardo bread. Yes, lovely dish this morning. Breakfast vibes. And I thought to myself, why not have a true Caribbean drink to go with it, as there's no work. Cocoa Mania and ting. Lovely mix, nice and refreshing. Caribbean vibes.